How to get your Gmail password if you forgot it. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get your Gmail password if you forgot it. First, go to your Gmail account. Now, go to your profile. Here, tap on Add Another Account. Now select Google to set up the email. Now, you need to enter your email address or phone number. Tap on Next to proceed further. After that, tap on Forgot Password as we don't remember our password. Enter the last password you remember or tap on Try Another Way. Again, select Try Another Way. You need to select a way through which you want to receive a verification code. I'm selecting Text. Enter the verification code which you have received. Tap on Next to continue. Now tap on Update Password. Enter your new password. Then confirm it. Your password will be changed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.